Today I'm going to explain how to open a shutter properly, the panel itself. What you want to do, this is a single panel hinged on the left-hand side. So you want to open up the louvers, grab the side rail, which is called the stile, and open it outward. Make sure that you close the louvers if you're going to open and fold it back to the wall. When you close it, just make sure that you close it. Nice and simple. This is an example of how to open a two-panel shutter. You will always open the right door first and then the left door. So open up the louvers, grab the side rail, which is called the stile, and open the right panel outward. Again, if you're going to fold it back, close the louvers and fold it back to the wall. Then you open up this panel and again close the louvers and fold it back to the wall. The panels have the magnets, which makes it a really easy close. Always close the left side first and then the right side. And that is how you open a two-panel shutter. Today I'm going to show you how to open the doors properly on a T-post shutter. The T-post run vertically from the top frame to the bottom frame to essentially give it another panel. If you want to open the right panel, you will twist the louvers open, grab the side rail, and open it to the right. Close the louvers when you want to fold it back to the wall. If you would like to open up the middle one, always open the right side first. So you'll want to open up the louver slightly, grab the panel, close the louvers up, and fold it back. Then you can open up the left panel, nice and easy. Closing them, you will always close the left panel first. The left panel will be closed, and then the right panel. Single panel, close back up as well. The far left panel also opens.